In this video, we're going to use algebra tiles to help us complete the square. And so I have the polynomial x squared plus 6x up there, and I want to figure out what number I can add on at the end in order to make this a perfect square. What that means is, using my algebra tiles, that the figure that I build will be a square shape. So I have an x squared here, and then 6x's right there, and I want to build this so that we have a perfect square, or something resembling a perfect square. So I'm going to put half of the tiles right here, so 3 of them will go over there, and I'll put the other half down here below the x squared. So that'll go there. Spin this around. Maybe there we go. All right. And so how many figures or units can fit here in order to make this thing a square shape, right? I have an x on top and 1, 2, 3 by x, 1, 2, 3. So x plus 3 by x plus 3, but I'm missing a chunk of this figure to make it a square. And so let's see how many it takes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this would be a, I'll see if I can make it red here, a plus 9 at that back end. Apparently not. All right, so it's a plus 9 there. Well, that's red. That's fun. So it's a plus 9 that makes this a perfect square. And if we wanted to factor it, it would factor into x plus 3 by x plus 3, or x plus 3 squared. So it's a perfect square, something times itself. All right, let's try the next one. X squared minus 8x. So I have negative 8x's here, and I'm going to put these in. I bet I can grab that. And this one. And then, do I have the ability to spin in place? So half on each side. And then how many units fit here. And so it's going to be a 4 by 4 gap, and so 4 by 4 would end up making 16. I'll fix these. Get all 16 out. So there is the 16 units. So what would go in there? We would need a plus 16 at the back end. it would factor into going across. We have an x and then a -4, x and -4, so x minus 4, and that's what would be squared. That's what's being taken times itself, so that's a perfect square. Okay, so that's how we use algebra tiles to complete the square. For now, we are done.